Hello guys. So in this video we will see how meter chart will work and what are detailed configurations are provided in meter chart. Alright. So first of all, let me go there. You will be able to see this is meter chart. So I have given the name here. Basically it is a title of this particular chart, meter chart. And if you want to select any another model, just like lead or opportunity or purchase order, sales order, account, project, inventory, you can set it over here as per your requirement. Okay. If you want to add this particular layout to the generic layout, you can enable this toggle button, and this particular layout will be get enabled in generic layout also. Now in this relation information tab, you will be able to see this is view type selected as meter chart, but if you want to change this graph, then you can change it also from this selection. There are multiple graphs we have provided. If you want to set operation type, let's say by default the count operation type is selected, but if you want to define a sum of these records or say an average of these records, then you can also set it. If you want to set any record limit, let's say 5 or 10 or something, you can set it these record limits. If you want to define any kind of the dynamic filter, you can select different kinds of the objects over here. And if you want to define any multiple filters, or else if you want to define any all or any conditions between those multiple dynamic filters, you can also do that, and the system will show you the results from those filters if the data is available. Okay. Over here you can set the target value as 50, or if you want to set as 40, you can be able to set it as well. Okay, you can see that target value 40. If I want to select it as a 60, it will come here like this. Okay, the date related filter, if you want to set it created on, last updated on, so these all values are also depends on which model you are selecting over here. Okay. So if you want to basically select any kind of date filter, like the data you want to see for today, this week, this month, this quarter, next day, next month, next quarter, you can select it. Okay. The design, if you want to see the data format of this Indian or Colombian peso, if there will be any kind of the values are coming like a total amount or something, so this particular data format will be also get changed accordingly as per the selection. If you want to enable or disable the data label, then you will be able to see that. Okay, I have already enabled this data label now. And if you want to change a color of it, let's say change it in this pink color, so this particular data label color will be also get changed. This is a background color. If you want, just same like this, if you want to change a font color as well, you can change it. If you want to set a data label positions in a center or say in a top, so you can change it. You can see the result. Okay. All right. Now if you want to change a border width, let's say 1, 2 or 5, then this particular graph related border width will be also get changed accordingly. If you want to set a layout information that this is a meter chart of account model, or let's say layout tooltip meter chart account, then this layout tooltip will work accordingly. To see how this layout information and layout tooltip is working, we have made a separate video for that, so please check it out in our dashboard playlist. If you want to set any kind of a client action or a click action, then you can enable and you can check it out. Okay, so we have already made a separate video for this client action and click action, so you can also check it out our videos from dashboard playlist. If you want to combine a layout with any another dashboard, then by clicking on it, you will be able to combine this dashboard layout as well. Okay. If you want to set any auto update parameter, let's say update on every instance, so basically by default this option is selected. Now what will happen if it is update on every instance? When this criteria related any record will be get updated or any new record freshly will made, then this particular output of this graph will be get changed accordingly. Or if you want to set any custom kind of the update type, time interval over here, let's say 1 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever as per the configuration we have selected for the time interval, this graph will be auto refreshed accordingly. We have also made a separate video for this, how this auto update is working, so you can check it out in our dashboard playlist. All right, so that's an overview of how these parameters of this meter chart are working, and how users will be able to set up this configuration, and the resulted output will come for this meter chart. All right, so that's it about this video. If you will have any kind of query or questions about this video, then please don't hesitate to ask us. So all right, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Bye, take care.